Moneymakers, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that you could make some extra cash reading emails? Would you believe me? Would you even be interested? Well, if you're interested, let's get right into it. So there are so many ways that you can actually make extra money, and we've discussed several of them. Having the ability to read emails at your leisure or whenever you have that extra time is one of those ways that you can not get rich, but you can definitely make a lot of extra money. Some of the advantages of reading emails from home consist of the fact that it is very convenient. You can do it at home or from any place that you are remotely. Also, you don't have any special qualifications or skill sets that are required other than you have access to the computer and you know how to use the computer or your cell phone or technology or a tablet or something of that nature. And the fact that it is very low risk. There's not very much you have to worry about. I know you're actually wondering, well, how does this work? You can actually read emails and get paid for it by way of several different platforms. Let's talk about these platforms. I only want to bring awareness of a select few of the many that are available to you. But we're going to start off by just talking about the very first one. Swagbucks is available online. It's a rewards program, and it's not only catering to just reading emails, but it also has different type of opportunities out there, such as playing games and shopping and things like that. So if you have extra time and other interests, Swagbucks is actually one of those places that you can actually make the extra money. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem those points for gift cards and PayPal payments. It's very easy to do. All you do is provide or set up an account. And once you get into that account, you actually go into the portal and make yourself available. It is easy as that, and definitely a way to make extra money or get some money and paid without a huge investment other than your time. Inbox dollars is another great way to make money reading emails. You can make money from reading the emails and responding to those emails and provide your reviews. You create an account or you register within the website. Once you get into the portal, you would then make yourself available to different types of programs. And once you are registered with those programs, you can then start making money. It's important to set your expectations right away, so that they're known and you can be honest with the emailers about what it is you can do. If there are things that you do not like to do or you're not willing to do, then by all means, make those things available. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before starting any work. These may vary from company to company, but you definitely want to make sure that you rule out any room for error as you move forward with making this extra money. The last one that we will discuss is Inbox Pays. If you're looking to make that extra money reading emails, then this platform will definitely work for you, as it has a wide range of ways that you can get paid reading email that suit your needs. So you don't have to just accept anything. You get to choose. You have the right to choose the actual program that works for you. So once you're registered, the platform will provide you with a list of emails to read. You get to choose exactly which of those emails you're reading. You want to also make sure that as you're reading in this portal, that you're reading something that you're interested in, because you will be reading for a long period of time. So be very selective in choosing the type of work that you're receiving, because again, you're getting compensated to read emails. I know that this seems a little far-fetched for some, but time is money. In this regard, time truly is money. And based on how much time you have, you'll be able to make a good bit of money reading emails. It's that easy, guys. If you think that this is very helpful or it's been helpful, or you need additional sites or platforms, by all means, please place in the comments moneymaker, and I will provide you with additional platforms that you can actually use to make money reading emails. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.